On today's menu is a dish which is usually seasonal, prepared during the rainy season. It is fish egg kofta curry. We make balls of fish egg which we make a curry, with which we make a curry. So without ado, let's start. Hey friends, welcome to my Kaleshona channel. And let's start with the onions first. I have taken 3 onions, out of which 1.5 onions I have sliced like this, and 1.5 onions, as you can see, kept in the plate as chopped onions. The chopped ones are for making the kofta or the bora, and the sliced onions will go into the kofta curry. So this is the sliced onion, and now we take some cloves of garlic and ginger and roughly we just grind them in this hamam dista as we call it, and keep it aside for mixing into the kofta or the fish egg. There we have taken the green chilies chopped, the onions chopped, and we are adding boiled potatoes. Yes, we'll need 2 boiled potatoes for around 150 grams of fish egg. Fish eggs are easily available during the rainy season in plenty, and that is why this is prepared usually during the rainy season. Boil some water with a slight amount of turmeric and salt. Put the raw fish eggs after washing and cleaning into it for semi boiling. Do not boil them totally, then it will become absolutely hard. So, in order that the fish koftas will remain soft in the center, we boil or semi boil the eggs like this in water. Give just the amount of water that will dry up after boiling or semi boiling the eggs. There you can see the water has reduced. Take out the eggs. They will look somewhat like this after changing color, whitish in color from red, and mix them thoroughly with the ginger garlic paste, not paste, the crushed ginger garlic, the chopped onions, and the green chilies, and of course, plus the boiled potatoes. The potatoes are used to give a texture to the kofta or bora and to retain its shape. That is, the kofta or bora can be made into round shape or it can be made into a slightly flat shape also. I have chosen the round ones because that is how we know the koftas. We take some peppers and crush them and add to the crushed egg already. This is the egg. I have taken one egg and added pepper and salt to it in order to dip the koftas into it before frying. There, make a ball out of the mixture and dip it in egg solution and put it in the oil for frying. Just repeat the process of dipping the baras in the oil or the koftas in the egg solution and dipping them in hot oil and turning them slightly and softly so that they don't break, and frying them golden on all sides. Do not make them dark golden, just let them become reddish golden in color. There you can see I am dipping one bora at a time into the egg solution and frying them, dipping again into the hot oil. I am turning the previous ones so that they can fry and look golden on all sides. This is how the baras look. I am preparing almost same sized koftas from the mixture. There, I'm turning the varas so that they'll fry equally well on all sides. Make some space in between so that you can fry a batch of varas together. It helps when the varas are fried at a time so that they are done. Now I'm taking them out in a plate. Look at the beautiful fish egg balls or the koftas. You can just eat them as snacks also with tea or coffee. They just are fine by themselves. But just for our dinner or lunch, we make them into curries. So that is called the fish kofta curry. We take mustard oil and put the cinnamon, cardamom, and bay leaf into it and then fry it around for 30 seconds so that the flavors are there released into the oil. Then you put in the sliced onions which have been kept separately and the ground or grated ginger. Also, I have added 2 chilies to it. You can add the number as many number of chilies you want to, but I'll suggest just a little bit will do. There, 3 spices are there. There is freshly ground coriander, cumin powder, and slight red chili powder to impart color to the kofta curry. That is, the curry should look tasty also, as it should taste also nice. There, just mix them with a little bit of water and allow them to fry and simmer. And the last but not the least, add a little pinch of hing or asafoetida so that the fishy smell does not remain. Cover and allow the masala to fry well. After the masala is fried well, add a little bit of sugar so that it caramelizes with the masala and the taste is enhanced. There, I have also added a little pinch of salt. Salt and sugar should be according to your own taste. Put turmeric and after that put hot water or normal temperature water, whatever you prefer, and allow the whole mixture to come to a boil. I am adding green chilies again so that the flavor of green chilies are there, and of course the baras or the koftas. Do not touch or move the koftas too much so that they'll break because they are soft now, and after getting dipped into the soup or the curry they'll become softer. Just cover it and allow in full flame to cook for around 2.5 minutes. There, the beautiful fish egg kofta curry is done. Do subscribe and encourage me to produce more such recipes for you. And to my old friends, please like, share and comment and let me know how your recipe turned out after following my directions. Thank you for watching the video to the last. More to come.